Hi everyone, welcome to lecture number 4 of week 11. In this lecture we will see the case study of Amsterdam, which is a city in Netherlands. This Amsterdam city is actually leader in circular economy, and they focus on sustainability and citizen-centric smart city approaches. If we see some key matrices, this city aims to become or attain full circularity by year 2050. Their bicycle users base is very high. They have around 8,80,000 number of bicycles, and the bicycle share is around 38%, which is highest in the world. Okay, so let's try to understand the Amsterdam circular city vision by 2050. So Amsterdam aim to attain the full circularity by 2050. With 50% reduction in new material use by 2030. They have aimed to reduce 50% new material, use 100% circular procurement, these two by 2030, and become a 100% full circular economy by 2050. This by using 3R principles, which we have already seen. That means reduce, minimize resource consumptions, reuse, extend the product's life cycle, and recycle, recover material at the end of life. They are implementing this using a cradle-to-cradle design approach. That means a product designed for continuous reuse and recycling, and these type of project can eliminate any kind of waste productions. Amsterdam has taken sustainability as an economic strategy. The circular economy can generate jobs, can reduce the cost, and enhances the resilience. Amsterdam is also a city which has sustainable mobility. This is world cycling capital. In Singapore, they have around 8,80,000 bicycles for 8,50,000 residents. 80% of all the trips by these cycles only, which is highest globally. If we see their infrastructure, they have around 500 plus kilometers of dedicated bike lanes which are separated from the traffic. Also, they have good facility for the bike parking. They have multi-level parking facilities at central station which can accommodate around 21,000 of bicycles or bike. Also, they provide cargo bikes. They have around more than 25,000 cargo bikes for family transport and deliveries. If we compare the cycling share model with different cities, so Amsterdam has around 38%, Copenhagen have around 30%, Berlin has around 18%, and in London around 4% of trips are completed by bikes. Also, this Amsterdam city is focusing on smart energy system transitions. They aims to utilize 100% renewable energy by the end of 2040 through the concept of district heating, solars, and smart grid. This district heating we have already seen, which is about utilization of waste heat from industries and data centers to heat the homes. Then the rooftop solars, they give subsidies and streamline all the permits which is required for residential and commercial solar uses. Also, they support smart grid, that intelligent demand management and energy storage integrations which can increase the efficiency in the system. If we see their renewable targets, so currently they are using around 25% of the renewable energy. By 2030, they are targeting 55%, and by 2040, they are targeting to become 100% renewable energy dependent. Let's see how Amsterdam has done the circular construction innovations. So, Amsterdam pioneers circular construction with material passport, recycling content, and modular building. Material passport is actually a digital records of all the material in the building which can be used further or which can be further reused. Recycled content mandate, they have actually mandated that 20% of the recycled material is required for any new public building construction. Also the modular construction, that means the prefabricated component that can be disassembled and reused should be used for the construction. They have also made a material exchange platform which is known as Medaster. This platform tracks the material and facilities which can be reused across the project. Currently, this platform has around 500 plus material passports and have around 20% registered building projects. Let's see how Singapore has developed their smart city platform for their smart city projects and for adaptation of climate changes. So in Amsterdam, 100 plus projects on collaborative platforms are there, which connects innovators, companies and governments. They have IoT living labs where public testing grounds for IoT solutions. They have flexible lighting, the smart street lighting with adaptive brightness. They have smart waste management like fill label sensors for optimizing the collection of waste. If we see this platform statistics, around 100 plus projects are listed in the platform. They have around 300 plus partners and have around 50k plus community. In order to accommodate the climate changes like the rising sea levels and extreme weathers, they started building blue-green roofs. That means the smart roofs that can retain and manage rainwater. They also started this floating neighborhood. That means climate adaptive floating homes and parks. And also they use a very denser air quality monitoring network to track the pollution level in the city. Also, the Amsterdam approach is the citizen-centric approach. So they stresses more on citizen participation. And they treated citizens as the co-creators, co-designers, not just as the consumers. They insisted of conducting these co-creation workshops where citizen design solutions alongside the city officials. Also, they initiated this neighborhood initiatives. That means a community-led projects which can be funded by the city. Also, the concept of citizen science, where residents can collect the air quality, noise and biodiversity data. Also, this city is very data transparent, that all the data which is being gathered is available freely for the public use. Their concept is privacy by design. That means the data protection should be built into the system, and whatever the data is collected, there should be the citizen control on their data. If we see the key lessons what we got from this city, so circular economy needs systematic change, requires new business model, new regulations and the mindset across the value chain. The citizen engagement is essential. The bottom up participation ensures solution meets real need and builds ownership. Third, the experimentation leads to scaling. Pilots and living labs allow testing before any city-wide deployment. This reduces the risk. The cross-sector collaboration, the public and private partnership accelerate innovations by combining resources and expertise. And long-term vision, 2050 circular targets provide direction while allowing flexible approach, because we have phase-based targets. So the key lesson what we have got here is sustainability and smart technology must serve citizen, not just optimize system. And this city has shows that citizen-centric approach works. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you so much.